Hi everyone, my name is Nora. This is my first video and today I'm gonna review the flower subscription box, Bloombox.co. I live in Sydney, Australia, and I got this box fortnightly, I think for a few months already now. And it's always fresh flower, seasonal flowers from around Sydney. So it comes in a box like this, and then it's written there, place in water immediately. So basically when it comes, you have to place it in the water. If in doubt, add flowers. So I'm just gonna open the box now. You're always excited when you get these boxes because especially with flowers, you know, all our girls, we need flowers in our life. No one's gonna give it to them. We're just gonna subscribe to the boxes and, you know, get fresh flowers every 2 weeks. So it's always different, the flowers in every box, and they always have a theme. So for this one, I'm gonna have a look. So the theme for this one is Firework Frenzy. So I'm guessing it's for New Year's. See, we're starting this year with a bang and some vibrant fresh flowers to make your space feel light. That sounds good. And also at the back of the card, they usually tells you what flowers they put in there and how to care for them. So, which is very nice information. Because I'm not a flower arranging pro, so I don't really know the flowers or like how to care for them or how to trim and things like that. So it's very nice to have those information. So as you can see, this time the flowers, they look like this. You know, you get where the firework kind of comes from. I think it's from those little flowers. And then you also got this flower kind of food, plant food to put inside the water before you put the flowers in. So yeah, I got my vase now and I fill it with the flower and the water, sorry, and the plant food. So I'm just gonna put my greenery base in. So it also tells you on the box what to do basically with the flowers. So to add. And then the second one is to fill it out. So you use your filler flowers to you know, fill out the vase. So I usually just guess which ones of those are because obviously don't really know. So I'm just gonna use these ones because I think they look nice. So at the back. So yeah, so these are my filler flowers for this box, I guess. There are 4 of those. And also the thing with these flowers, they kind of still look a bit dry at the moment because they just came out from the box. But in a few hours, they usually are nicer. So, you know, yeah. So these are the finished products. I really like to get these boxes. I think the flowers are fresh, they're beautiful, they add something nice to the living room, and it's also nice to get like a surprise every 2 weeks of flowers. So thank you for watching. Bye.